If your Swagbucks verification email never arrives, the issue is usually caused by email filtering. An incorrect email address, a temporary delivery delay, or a request that didn't reach Swagbucks servers. By the end, you'll know the quickest fixes to get the verification email or confirm when it's time to contact support. Start by checking that you're using the correct email address. Sign-in attempts with a mistyped address won't receive a verification message. If possible, verify the email listed on your Swagbucks account before requesting another email. Next, search your inbox instead of checking only your primary folder. Look in spam, junk, promotions, updates, and trash. Many email providers automatically move automated verification emails out of the main inbox. Use your email search and look for Swagbucks to see whether the message was filtered. If you don't find it, wait a few minutes before clicking the resend option again. Sending repeated requests in a short period can create delays or cause earlier requests to expire before they arrive. Submit one new request, then give it a little time. Now, test your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi. Then reload the Swagbucks app or website before requesting another verification email. A stable connection helps ensure the request reaches the server successfully. The next step is checking your browser or app. If you're using the website, refresh the page or try a different browser. If you're using the mobile app, check your device's app store for updates. Running the latest version helps eliminate bugs that may interfere with account verification. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache or the app cache, then sign in again and request another verification email. If you're still stuck, try using another device to rule out a device-specific issue. When none of those fixes work, the problem may be related to a temporary delay with Swagbucks email system or your email provider. Contact Swagbucks support and include the email address tied to your account, the device you're using, whether you're on the app or website, and when you requested the verification email. Providing those details makes it easier for the support team to investigate. To recap, confirm your email address, search every inbox folder, wait before requesting another email, test a different connection or browser, and contact support if the verification message still doesn't appear. If this guide helped you solve the problem, like the video and subscribe for more Swagbucks tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and earning app fixes.